Today, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Tableau using a dataset. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently present your data in a visually appealing and effective manner. To get started, you'll want to open Tableau and have your dataset ready. Once you're in Tableau, look towards the bottom of the screen for an icon that resembles a grid of 4 squares. This is the new dashboard icon. Clicking on this icon is your first step toward creating a dynamic dashboard. This will open a fresh canvas for you to begin designing your dashboard, providing a clean slate to pull together all the insights you wish to present. Next, let's talk about setting the size of your dashboard. In the size pane on the left-hand side of your screen, you have several options for dimensions. For most uses, selecting generic desktop or automatic is a great choice. This is because these options help ensure that your dashboard scales correctly, whether you're presenting in a meeting room or sharing your screen during a video call. By choosing one of these settings, you maintain the integrity of your visualizations, ensuring they look just as good on large screens as they do on smaller ones. Now, it's time to assemble your layout. This is where you bring all your data visualizations together. On the left side of your Tableau interface, you'll see a list of the worksheets you've already created. Each worksheet represents a visual piece of your overall data story. And now it's time to incorporate them into your dashboard. Simply drag each worksheet from the sheets list onto the dashboard canvas. This drag and drop method is intuitive and allows you to easily arrange and rearrange your visual elements until they align perfectly with your narrative. As you place these worksheets on your dashboard, take a moment to consider the flow of information. Think about how someone viewing your dashboard for the first time might interpret the data. You want the most critical insights to be noticed right away, so positioning them at the top or in a prominent position is a good strategy. Remember, the goal is to make your dashboard not only informative but also engaging and easy to navigate. Throughout this process, keep an eye on how your dashboard looks as a whole. Tableau offers tools to help with alignment and spacing, ensuring everything is neat and visually appealing. You can use these tools to adjust the layout so each element has enough space to stand out without overwhelming the viewer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a dashboard in Tableau that effectively communicates your data insights. With your dashboard complete, you can now share it with others, confident that it will provide a clear and compelling snapshot of your data story. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different layouts and elements to find what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.